Hey guys, it's me, Janie. I'm back. I'm gonna try to dash this morning. It is Monday, April 15th. I started my dash at 9 o'clock. It is, what time is it right now? 9:05. So it's been 5 minutes already. We'll see how long I wait. I already know it's probably gonna be super duper slow because Monday mornings usually are. But I figured I would come out here and give it a shot anyway, because I gotta make some money. Gotta make some money, guys. Yeah. So, because I'm not working my regular job anymore, so yeah. And I still have bills to pay and some money to save up because we're gonna be moving and I have to replenish my emergency fund because I use that to a few days ago I used it to help my daughter buy a car seat, and then Saturday, just this past Saturday, I had to go into the urgent care because I got a freaking dog bite on my first DoorDash delivery that day. So yeah. And I haven't bothered to get any insurance here in Arizona because I haven't been here for very long, and then we're moving again. So I will wait until we get to the next place to start having regular doctor visits and checkups and stuff like that. So I've already got that planned out. But for right now, I'm self-pay, so I had to get into that. And luckily, it wasn't bad. You know, I wasn't like bleeding. There's no like skin missing or anything. It's just a bad bruise. I wasn't sure if I don't know how all like the graphic stuff goes on YouTube, so I didn't bother putting a picture of my leg up on there on my other post, but it did poke a couple of holes in my jeans. So anyway, I got that taken care of. I got put on antibiotics just in case, just to be safe, to keep any infection away. And I'm also on some ointment. Gave me an ointment to put on it. So yeah, and the doctor said it was mostly bruised. There was like one tiny little part where the skin was tore, but the rest of it is just a really, really bad, deep bruise. So I got lucky there. It looks worse than I guess it really is, so according to the doctor. And she looked at it pretty closely. They cleaned it up and bandaged it and stuff, so so that was that. And then I did a few more dashes later that afternoon. So I'm like, I'm not gonna let a little dog keep me from making any money. So and how often is that really gonna happen? So I was watching the Mad Dasher this morning, and he did a video on earn by time dashing. And after watching that, no. No thanks. No thanks. I will link his video in the description for any of you interested in watching that. It was bad. Oh my gosh, really bad. I thought about doing the earn by time thing because it's really that slow here. But then I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. Because there are times where I'm waiting like hours, for an order. But the earn by time is only giving you active hours. So if I'm still sitting there and not doing anything, I'm not getting paid either way. So, yeah, that's that. No thanks. No, thank you. I would rather keep taking bad orders from, earn by order. So, and I'm still waiting. Like, look at this. Still waiting. It is what time now? 9:12. I got nothing. Nothing. I probably should just go back in the house. I'm sitting here in front of my house. And there's been times where I would go wait over by the store and I would still be waiting for a long time. So I'm not even going to bother doing that in here in the morning. I might just go back in the house and wait until I get an order. Okay, I'm going to go inside. I'm hungry and I haven't even had my coffee yet. Okay, I finally got an order. It is 9:30. $5 order from McDonald's for like 1.4 miles or something like that. So I ran. Ran from my house to the car. And I am on my way now. Okay, so I just dropped off that order. Pretty easy. And I am pretty close to my house, so I think I'm just gonna go home and wait again. Mornings are usually like really slow during the week, so I'm just gonna go home and wait there. Okay, I've just been sitting here for a minute and I just got another McDonald's order. Where is this? This is pretty close too, so I'm gonna go take it. Wow. 2 orders already this morning. And it's not even 10 o'clock yet. Normally I'm waiting for an hour and a half in between orders. But this isn't bad. I guess people are hungry this morning. Alright, so I had to deliver that to the high school. I'm not familiar with the schools around here, so I'm like, where is the front office? I have no idea. So I called her, someone came out and met me, and was like, alright, there we go. Awesome. So now I am headed back home. I have a feeling if I do get more orders, they're probably going to all be McDonald's. Probably because I'm waiting here by my house, which is close to McDonald's. So I really don't feel like going over by the store. Not yet. Maybe a little bit later I will. But right now I don't want to. I'm here. And I will let you know when I get another order. All right. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon now. And I finally am out on another dash. I ended my dash earlier and I just took this whole time off. So hopefully my phone works. I kind of just left it here in the car. This one, the one I'm recording on, I just left it in the car and it got kind of warm. Sun beating down on it, but it's kind of chilly outside today. Still pretty chilly. Anyway, so I'm heading to McDonald's. was $3 for 1 mile. So I told my girls, was like, I need to go make some money. So I'm starting my dash, and then right away, surprisingly, I got this order. So here I go. Okay, so I delivered that one. I'm on my way over. I was on my way over to go just sit at the store parking lot, and then on my way I got a grocery shop order. So $7.53, I think, for like a little over 3 miles. So yeah, I'm gonna take that one. Okay, so after that order, I got 2 more orders, and I didn't record. I didn't think to turn the camera on, but I got 2 more after that one, and then I just now got another grocery shop order. It was $11 for 13 miles. I don't want to go that far. I mean, I probably, would have taken it if I knew for sure that there wasn't going to be anything else. But it's getting close to dinner time rush, and we'll see what happens. I don't know. I just didn't want to go that far. Who knows? It might have been a cash tip, but extra. I have no idea. But I didn't want to go that far. Didn't want to take it. Didn't want to go that far. So I declined that one. I think my acceptance rate now is at like 88%. So, and I am dashing until 7. It is 5:18 right now. So far that I've had 3 orders in just over an hour, which isn't bad. This last one was like $9 and something for 7 miles, a little over 7 miles. So I don't even know, what am I at right now? Well, let's wait till I stop. Don't be trying to look at stuff while you're driving. Let me go get to where I want to be, and then I will look through what I've got now. Yeah. Okay. Oh, $20.18 is this dash right now. Not bad, not bad. Just over an hour. Pretty good so far. My acceptance rate is at 86. We'll see what happens when I'm at the end. Hopefully it won't take too long to get another order. I just sit here and read my book for a little bit. Where was I? So I finally got an order. Guess where I'm going? Right behind me. It's like $4.50, I think, for 3 miles. But better than continuing to sit here and do nothing. So, and I'm just right here. So I'm gonna take this and drop it off, and I'll be back at some point. Alright, so I just ended my dash. I still have like another hour, but I'm feeling lazy. So I made $24.68 in 2 hours. Was that $12 and something per hour? That is awful. Terrible. Where I moved here from, the minimum wage was $12.50. And that was not even the minimum wage that I got just now. But, you know, whatever. It's better than nothing. Be thankful for what you got while you have it, while you can get it, while you can do it. So, it's better than just sitting around and not making any money. So, I am going home because I just don't want to do it anymore. And I will be back out tomorrow. I don't know if I'll record, but figured I would throw this together today. So I will catch you guys next time, guys. All right. Oh, you know what? Let me get to my house and then stop and check out all of my stats and stuff, because I'm kind of curious what I got now. I don't know. I know my acceptance rate is no longer over 90% because I've declined a few orders the last couple of days because I either just didn't want to do it, didn't want to go that far, or the orders were just that bad. So, and I have the sun in my face. Can you see me? Ugh. Yes, and I park this way too. Let me back up here. See, you see, like my house is like super close to everything, so that's why sometimes I'm like, I'm just gonna wait at my house for an order, because it's not that far. Anyway, let me bring this back up here. Hopefully you can see me. Okay, so earnings today. My total for today, for this morning and this afternoon. Hold on. Okay, so I got $9 this morning for 2 orders. And $24.68 now for 4 orders in the last 2 hours. So my total for today was $33.68 for 4 hours. For 4 hours. My ratings. Yeah, so I'm up to 111 lifetime deliveries. My acceptance rate went up 1% to 87. It was at 86. And then my customer rating is 4.79. So, anywho's. Yeah, I just wanted to check that. So, hey, I have an option to dash now. It's starting to get busy, but I'm going to be home. I'm hungry. And I'll catch you guys next time, okay? Okay, bye.